Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a box opening and review of a metal detector. This was sent to me by the EENOUR company, the same company that sent me the portable air conditioner that I'm using in the camper van. So they must have thought I did a pretty good job on that. So I have the GC1078 metal detector. And they have two models. They have a model for younger kids, you know, that are starting out basically. And then this more advanced model. For some reason they thought I needed the more advanced one. But I'm going to open this up, look at it, assemble it, and hopefully try to get some footage using it. But I will explain all of the details of it. That's what's important for, and from what I understand, it's very easy to use. Really nice big display, which us older people need. And there's a lot of area out at St. Bernard Acres all around that barn. I know that old farmer hid his money in jars. I hope. But this will help me find some of that. I'll be back. Right. Let's see what we have here. Again, the EENOUR GC1078. Okay. Nice. Let's see what we have. First we have the owner's manual. And thank goodness it doesn't look too complicated. I might be able to use it. Alright, let's start taking some parts out. Good thing I have a utility knife. It appears to be pretty well packaged. The easy to use display. Hope you can see that well enough. Okay, let's see what all we have here. These look like legs. Okay. Oh, very simple. Very simple adjustment. No knobs to turn or anything. Just that. Easy adjustments. Obviously the same on this side. So, we have a pouch here. Oh wow. Obviously a digging shovel that it comes with. And its own little pouch. Oh, nice. Oh, heck yeah. Look at that. In a pouch to clip on your belt. That is really nice. Just tighten it down. Like so. And you got a really nice pick and shovel. I didn't know it came with this. That is awesome. I love how it folds up and goes back in the pouch. Wow, they supply batteries. Wow, 10-inch detecting plate. I don't know what you call this yet. I'm sure I will find out. And a bag, I guess? Yeah, look at that. Heck yeah. A carrying bag. Wow, they went above and beyond with this thing. Everything you get in the box. I like this so far. Heck yeah. I did not know you got a shovel. There's a pocket for the shovel for when you put it all away. Belt loops, carry it with you. Yeah. Let me get this thing assembled and we'll see what we come up with. Alright, so I've readjusted the camera. So, to start with, we're going to slide this in here and lock it down. And then obviously this piece with the nut and adjustment on the bottom is also going to go into the handle. We'll slide this one in. It's so adjustable. I really like how you can adjust it. So now we have this part of it. The detector, that's what they call that, so I actually sound like I know what I'm talking about. Search coil. The search coil will go on here. And we have a bolt and nut assembly. My control box is going to mount on top of here. Now that I'm figuring this out. Then we're going to take the cable, wrap it around the pole, a few times. What do you think of that, Rosa? And that is going to screw into the back of it. So we are assembled. That's what it looks like assembled. Very lightweight. Wow, it doesn't feel cheap, it's just very light. Adjustable strap here. It feels good. It really does. No fatigue here. Alright. That's pretty sharp. I'm anxious to go try it out now. But I'm going to have to get a bigger, I'm going to have to take the camera outside and this outside, and then we'll get a better look at it. But that's the unboxing and what the assembled product looks like. That's part one of this. Let's go work on part two. Get the right size for me. Tighten this up. Very easy to use. Very lightweight. I really like this. And this is how you do it. You don't do it like this. When you're metal detecting, you want to keep it just, an inch above the ground and move like so. So what this is going to be so hard to show. I'll try. Let me get my phone. We'll turn it on. It's booting up. Well, found 50 cents it says, but you have to set the discrimination. You have to set the sensitivity. Now this, I turned off iron, as you can see. So I'm gonna turn that back on. If I hit this button, then I hit it again. Now it's going to detect iron, which is nails and screws. And out here, there's a bunch of that where I tore this shed down. So let's see if it finds them. Another nail. Uh-oh, different beep. Shows the depth that's right on the surface. Man, I got a lot of nails out here. And another coin. Now I got to find all my change I threw out to test this. And it has surpassed the test. Yep, there's another quarter. Another dime. It tells you what it is sometimes. Oh, nail. But you can turn off iron and it won't detect any nails then. You can turn off different things you want it to look for and turn on things you want it to look for. There's another nail. Let's get back over where my change is. Yep, it found a quarter. So yeah, it works. Let me get back over here. But that's it. My arm, there's no fatigue in my arm at all. I've been out here playing with this thing. Yep, that's the dime I put out here. So yeah, I mean, it's a lot of fun. I can't wait to get it out to the barn and start walking around the barn. I'll probably find 7 billion nails. But there's a nail. I can turn that feature off and look for all the money the farmer hid. Oh, penny, yep. Alright. So anyway, my review, I like it. I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. I'm not I don't do a lot of metal detecting. I have another one in the shed that we used a few times, but it's a lot more difficult to use that and set the control box than this is. And this, it just looks so good. And I haven't even peeled off the plastic over it yet. Turn off the light. But the volume's good. It has a jack to plug in headphones if you wanted to detect that way. And I love the fact it came with the pouch and the shovel and everything. So yeah, this is a good one. That's my review of the EENOUR, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, GC728 metal detector. A lot of fun. It's not a toy. This one is not a toy, trust me. This does the job. This is really slick. And I do believe Amazon right now, they're like $50 off. You don't need a code or anything. But it'd be a great Christmas present. That's coming up for somebody. If you bought property like we bought, these things are great. A lot of fun to discover what's out there. I think we might have a new hobby here. Might start doing more of it as we start our travels. But this is, like I said, it's not fatigued. My arm's not fatigued at all. I like the way this strap keeps it all there, so it's not, I have very little. That's one finger. That's all it takes. It's well balanced. That's one of the good things about it, I think. The other one I've got doesn't seem to have that balance. It's very heavy on the top end. You have to pull it up. This you don't. There's no pull to it. It just does the job. I like it, folks. Go check them out. This is Joe with St. Bernard Acres. I'm out.